Welcome, dear one. As you rest, let your body sink into stillness and your breath flow like a quiet river. You are safe here. You are allowed to let go. Tonight, we take a journey together, a journey through the timeless wisdom of Zen and the compassionate teachings of the Buddha. These stories are not just tales, but doorways to deep peace and inner healing. Let us begin. 1. The Empty Cup. A university professor came to visit a Zen master. As the master served tea, the professor talked on and on about his own ideas. The master quietly poured the tea until the cup overflowed. "Stop! It's full!" the professor cried. "Exactly," the master replied. "You are like this cup, so full of opinions and knowledge. How can I show you Zen unless you first empty your cup?" Reflection. In this quiet moment, ask yourself, can I let go of what I think I know? Can I release the need to solve, explain, control? What if peace lives in the empty spaces? Take a breath and feel yourself becoming empty, like a cup ready to be filled with stillness. 2. A journey without luggage. Two monks were traveling. One carried a heavy pack while the other had none. "Why don't you carry anything?" the first monk asked. The second monk smiled. "I already carry enough. My thoughts, my past, my expectations." The first monk looked at his pack. "Then what am I doing?" Reflection. What are you carrying that you no longer need? Breathe out now, and gently place those burdens down beside you. There is nowhere to go, nothing to prove. Just rest. 3. The sound of one hand clapping. A student asked his master, "What is the sound of one hand clapping?" The master raised his hand in silence. The student waited. The wind passed. The leaves rustled. The student heard everything. Reflection. Some answers live in silence. As your body relaxes more deeply now, imagine a vast space within you, quiet and soft. No need to explain. No need to understand. Let silence become your greatest teacher. 4th, let go of the raft. The Buddha once told this parable. A man builds a raft to cross a river. When he reaches the other side, he carries the raft on his back. "Why are you still carrying it?" the Buddha asked. "It served its purpose." Reflection. What has served its purpose in your life? Is it time to say thank you and let it go? Breathe in gratitude. Breathe out release. Feel your chest soften. Let go. 5. The bamboo and the wind. A student said to his master, "I want to be strong like a tree." The master smiled and led him to a bamboo grove. When the storm comes, trees may break. But see the bamboo? It bends with the wind and does not break. Reflection. Strength is not in resisting, but in surrender. Tonight, you do not need to be strong. You only need to be gentle. Let your breath sway like bamboo in the wind. Slow, easy, soft. 6. The bell of mindfulness. In a monastery, a bell rings every hour. When it rings, all monks stop what they are doing, place their hands together, and take 3 breaths. 1 breath for this moment. 1 breath for gratitude. 1 breath for compassion. Practice. As you hear these words, let's do the same. Breathe in for this moment. Breathe out. Breathe in gratitude. Breathe out. Breathe in compassion for yourself, and gently breathe out again. You are doing well. 7. The old monk's smile. A traveler asked an old monk, "What is the secret to your peace?" The monk just smiled. His eyes were soft, his shoulders relaxed. "But what is it?" the traveler insisted. The monk said, "No past, no future, just tea in the cup and a breeze on my face." Reflection. Let go of yesterday. Forget about tomorrow. Right now, there is only this breath, and this breath is enough. 8. The finger pointing to the moon. A Zen master said, "Truth is like the moon. All teachings are fingers pointing to the moon. Don't mistake the finger for the moon." Reflection. There is no need to grasp every teaching. Let them guide you gently, like stars lighting a dark sky. You are not here to master anything. You are here to rest, to return to yourself, to float among the stars of understanding. 9. 10,000 flowers in spring. Master Wu Men said, 10,000 flowers in spring, the moon in autumn, a cool breeze in summer, and snow in winter. If your mind isn't clouded by unnecessary things, this is the best season of your life. Reflection. Peace is not something you earn. It is already here, beneath the noise. As you fall deeper into stillness, may your thoughts settle like snow on a mountain. You are entering the best season of your life, the season of rest. 10. The candle in the cave. A man lived in darkness all his life. One day he found a candle and lit it. He cried, not from sadness, but from beauty. Had I known what light was, I would have lit it long ago. Reflection. Even one thought of kindness is a flame. Even one breath of calm is a sunrise. Tonight, you are lighting the candle within, and it glows gently as you sleep. Closing prayer of rest. As this journey nears its end, rest in this final thought. Tonight, I release the world. I lay down my burdens. I allow the earth to hold me. I welcome the peace that is already mine. I am not broken. I am not behind. I am exactly where I need to be. And in this breath, I return to wholeness. Let sleep come like a soft wave. Let the teachings settle into your bones. You are loved. You are safe. You are home. Good night. May peace walk with you in dreams. May stillness greet you in the morning.